Hey guys, it's Hummy from Lion on Rock. And today I'm with my sister Nyla and my cousin Farah from Canada.
Bonjour. Today we're making chocolate fudge with Canadian maple syrup.
You need 1 tablespoon of butter
And you need 2 cups of milk chocolate chips and 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And you need to melt it on the double broiler.
Now we'll place it to the side to cool.
While the chocolate cools, you have to line the pan with aluminum foil and put butter on it.
We will take 1 teaspoon of maple syrup
And a whole can of sweetened condensed milk.
That was the maple syrup.
Now let's put it in the fridge to harden.